Verifying your Microsoft Teams account is an important step to ensure security and access to all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access Microsoft Teams. Open the Microsoft Teams application on your device or visit the Microsoft Teams website. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Find verification options. In the Settings menu, look for the Account or Security section. Here, you will find options related to account verification such as two-factor authentication or email verification. Step 4. Choose verification method. Select your preferred method for verification. This could include receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Follow the prompts to enter the required information. Step 5. Complete the verification process. After receiving the verification code, enter it in the designated field and confirm. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully verified. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Microsoft Teams account is verified and secure. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for assistance.